face. This is songs. There's something about you I just can't say.
Money.
Hey, feeling in my heart, they bust my brain. Hey, hey. Oh baby, oh tell me what you're saying.
We know the year.
Are the crazy, are the mad, oh yeah, what again? Oh yeah, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body and feeling in my head. Oh yeah, baby, come do the old fish. Hey, oh, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body and feeling in my head. Oh yeah, baby, come do the old fish. Baby,
Kill it. Guy. Yes, sir. Why I say?
DJ, they like increase volume for this. I don't know why they like look happy.
You know, say that is blessed. You know, so one of the speaker fall last
Friday. Now today they like they do.
Once Tunde speaker fall last Friday.
When big men want to listen to music, we don't
make noise, you know, but one of the speakers said for last Friday.
So now you bribe Tunde, make the plan, low.
We just relax.
No, wait, so now you the bribe Tunde now.
And listen to good music.
Are you agreeing, say you bribe Tunde?
I didn't bribe him. He was looking at the caliber of the men in the bar.
You know.
When he saw elder statement,
you know,
he decided to bring down the volume.
Surunam.
So when we finish, when we go now, if we begin play,
Yes. If you did that, we just get funny. We just say you have to do drum regularly for this place. This one at the show, what we call Bobo's Yan.
Yes.
On top of this place. Yes, so and we don't come again. We don't show for your TV screen as we just send you every day this time around. Yes, and I deal with my criminals them. Chakra.
Yeah, so how far now go? You know, say this season now, we see the wait. Election now be like the second coming of the Lord.
I'm telling you.
So you just say it go happen, sir.
No, we say the. You know, say when the election be February, the APC people they can't tag them to their candidate. They can't say it's February. So they can't postpone it to March.
Yeah.
And they say, oh, no one make favors. Now they go change that and come and say March for Buhari. So my fear now be say, if they go postpone them again to April, go here, pray for Buhari.
No, they can't go April. Now PDP go they call her April Fool. I don't know how far now.
I your package now.
Well, just did that. This
time one kind rough when we come here. What happen? All those your zoom for road.
You be like say you know say for Nigeria.
The
The faster you move, the better for you. You save fuel. If you drive slowly, you consume fuel. You have to move with speed.
You know the advantage of the fuel scarcity. You say it can't increase friendship. You know before we drive on your wind up.
Why not?
They play AC, they go AC, they go.
Oh, now,
as you wind up and say, oh boy, I walk today now. Oh boy, we dey.
Oh, come this matter.
How are you now?
You know, when say you must sit down with woman, all those kind of things. You don't body woman where me ask you you always.
No, for where she dey.
No. Me, I still put AC on. No. Only for nights, I dey on AC. For afternoon, I don't fit put woman inside car. Why you can't suffer with that one? If you don't get, you don't get. No drive. Sorry.
It's for scarcity now.
I dey use my AC. I have to look fresh now. I know just come the.
I beg wait. Make I even ask this question self. Now this matter can't bring me come this serious issue. I beg. This fuel issue, you know, say they drain people pockets these days now. Now it won't make me ask. Person will get wife will marry. You know, say na strong thing. We can get picking join and he get like 2 cars for house. Now make me can't think, look, say how much person supposed get said before he marry.
My brother, with this question when you ask, with this situation of the country, it's a good question.
You know, young man, he don't ready to marry.
In a very good question.
How much he supposed get? Or
so ask Sakara because in they close to marriage, so in fit answer.
You know, because I didn't look at, I didn't know say what thing they always talk and say if he get house, he get work, he get salary, he get house, roof over his head. Then when you are right to marry. But aside that,
how much?
Some
okay.
Yes,
I feel say it depends on your standard of living. We say not everybody's standard of living is the same. Some they live island, some they live for mainland.
Yeah, like us, island.
So maybe Aja, if I beg.
Excuse me, Aja na island.
This boy go allow me address island people.
Which island we want address?
Lucky one people and
so the island be that.
Talking to you people. Aja, please hold on. We are coming to Aja. We've not got to Aja. When we reach Aja, then we'll approach Ekpe. So now it's according to your question,
Yeah.
it will depend on your standard of living. So you get the area where you go day. If you get like 150K for account, your house rent will be 30,000. You understand? You're good.
Chakarado.
But if you dey stay island, listen, if you dey stay
Standard
island
of living.
where your house rent, be like 1M or 1.2. You understand? And 500K dey your account. I not sure say you ready for marriage.
You will live for island where they pay that 1M as your rent. You know, you get the money.
See,
It's not
get
bad.
the money,
You
and
dey
they
bring
come.
it. See, you dey bring another woman into your life. So you need to now know, say, if you been get 500,000 naira for your account
Your
before,
account and your house rent na 1 million.
forget rent, you dey pay. You don't dey pay before now.
If person
It change you anything.
Person wey dey pay rent 1 million.
Yeah.
Your account balance no suppose dey lesser than your house rent.
Na lie.
But I
So you know, if you just pay your rent, no.
I don't see so many guys who be say their house rent pass wetin dem get for their account, and then they always meet up that period to pay house rent. Wetin I dey try talk na say, as a young man,
How much money?
how much you suppose get saved up
Before you say you want, like you now.
Before you say yes,
Like
I
you,
want
No, you know
marry.
why they use you? You be elder statesman now. You don't confirm am many times. You don't
Yes,
talk
I am
forget.
an elder statesman.
And you get plans to marry after you will go this year.
Yes.
Now, you dey very close to be married. How much you, Shakara, no say as money na confidence?
Because now, let's
you want to ask me
like
how
this.
much I get from my account.
No,
I don't want me to expose you. But how much if it's
No,
like
it's
me?
not exposing.
No, wait, Ugo. Like me, I know if I want marry. After I don't spend on
Wedding
the wedding,
things and all
everything,
that.
the least amount where I know say
No be wedding. They no say have to make you spend for wedding. They say how much put in your hand before you begin plan marriage, before you begin think of marriage.
Nah,
Okay,
two Ogo,
I want
Ogo,
to
don't be
marry
two ways
this
with
girl.
this.
You understand?
He go
Now, wetin
Wetin me I dey tell you be say
Wetin I
after I
feel?
don spend all this money for wedding, because you see no be the wedding be the thing, na the marriage when you don come house sit down you don carry the wife come na be the main
I
thing.
don't make you remove that part. Say minus money wey I don spend.
Okay,
You just
if I wan
say
marry now,
total,
if I
you
wan
wan
marry
you wan start this marriage.
total 5 million naira.
5 million
5 million.
for you, 5 million.
Now,
5 million.
Now, my advice.
Why you smile? Why
my
you
advice?
smile?
No, my advice for the average guy. If you
Like
know
me,
say you
average
serious
guy.
to start life. No, you are on the high side.
Eh?
No, you are on the high side.
For wetin? 5 million?
yes.
Basically,
yes.
you're on the high side.
How much
Yeah,
you want?
yeah.
How much you want for your own?
No,
for
you don't
some
get
set of
wrong.
people.
Go make God
You
bless
know
person.
what
We get
I'm
10
saying?
million for can before marry. You
But
understand?
No be even make God bless. If God no bless me, I don't get 5 million. I
What
don't
you
marry.
dey talk? Now you be
So
that.
you want to tell me now, say,
Now you
if,
be that.
if God forbid, you don't get 5 million for your account, so you reach 40, you no go marry.
I no go.
See,
What I want
see.
marry for?
See,
Where
let me
the
tell
money
you.
to marry? No be the money be that.
Let me give you my retake now. Number one, you have a job. You have a job, abi.
Which one?
No, the person wey wan marry.
Okay.
You get job wey be say
get
salary
job,
dey come from.
we dey pay am
Now
salary.
500,000 you are good to go.
Wait, hold on a second.
500,000.
No, wait.
500K.
Yes.
The guy is good
This
to go.
500K
Now,
now,
we
wait.
want to talk about
Before you marry.
If
We'll
you
go
say
dey ask
as long
am
as you
questions.
get
Job.
Wait. If we talk say
Must you do
500K.
elaborate wedding? Must you do society wedding?
There are people-
Must you spend your life
There are
because you
people.
want to get married?
In other words, in fact, congratulations
If you are
to
due.
Elenu wey just do him pikin 1 year birthday.
Abeg.
Yeah.
I tell Elenu for in events say so na so I come spend money when I get pikin. You don't check pikin birthday.
When you get before pikin, you are working. You don't finish wedding. It takes another 9 months for pregnancy to due.
All these years wey you dey, why you not be save that money?
It take another
before the
1
pikin?
year. It take another 1 year to do pikin 1 year birthday.
Showman,
Do you
need to
understand? You know
understand.
since when they born that
He
pikin.
get wetin I want me to
Wetin you mean say
understand.
say the border?
He get
So
wetin I
don't
want me to
born pikin since
understand.
So you mean say na the
1 year.
pikin don reach 2 years and when they get money now he can't do it in this year?
No,
calm down.
Now wetin you try to do
Calm
that?
down.
You know the
Calm down.
English.
Showman, see, you get wetin I want me you understand. I dey believe say as a young man you need to plan your life.
Good,
That's what
good.
I need to understand. You need to plan your life. Now, at the verge where you dey plan your life, you don't need to waste too much time where you say you dey plan your life. For instance, now you say you won't get 5 million.
That's the least.
Least 5M before you marry. Now, if you don't get that 5M before you marry, but you get steady job, where we say your salary dey enter every week, and you get some.
How you sure if your job is steady?
Now,
No, you have a job now.
How you sure if
The
it's
job
steady?
you are doing, you don't even know whether it's steady or not, but the thing is that you have a job.
Now, the thing is,
Okay.
you have a steady
I
job
hear
that's
you.
paying your salary. Yes, and now, maybe 1, 2, 3 things they will say they also help you get some small change. That one day. Now, wetin I believe say guys supposed to now say plan yourself well. If you say you get 5 million for hand, no be that 5 million you go still dey use when you born pikin. Because between that space of time, you go
Now
know
the
what
security.
take get money. Now, the thing wey me I believe na say every young man wey dey house there.
Don't confuse our.
If you know say you
No.
if you know say you
No,
don
let me
ready to
tell you.
marry.
No,
No.
I know the verse
If
now.
any
No,
young man don
no,
get
no,
ready
make-
to marry, wey be say you know say one, you get
Why
house.
you never marry?
2, you get
Why
work.
you never marry? Why you never marry?
Wait.
Na still question. Don't
no,
throw
go
the
make-
question to us.
No, now you answer. Why you never marry yourself?
All right. See, wait. Let me
Nah,
just
see,
address responsible people that are watching. Okay.
Address.
Please, no go allow my colleague. In fact, it's not my colleague. We just dey meet for this bar. You understand? Go make you take for house. Say they find 5 million. You understand? I say it depends on where they live. Now, if like I see you want to come to that my house rent level because house rent
Chaka,
dey
may
determine.
we hold am first. May we rush go street because I know say people go down the wait.
Rush, no
Abeg,
one confuse our
make we
viewers.
do go for street. When we come back, we shall know who is the confusionist.
Na Shakara.
But where your 500K where?
But I'm a so show man. I'm a be at you are coming back.
500,000.
500K. hold on, wait.
No, you're not supposed to get any money. So far, you are contented with what you have.
It's not compulsory you must have money before marriage.
Just like 2 million.
5 million. You don't need to have any certain amount of money.
They don't really need too much money or make them stay for a big place.
Anybody we wan marry, so at least he suppose dey 100% sure of himself before thinking of marriage. Because if you no get work and you wan marry, how you go take train the other children?
Wetin they need na just that common thing wey dem dey call love and understanding.
Now love determines everything. If una two fit stay for any condition, it no determine say you suppose dey hit some certain targets before you go marry.
You can marry at any time you feel is okay for you. It's not compulsory there's money in you. And if the woman you are marrying can be able to like okay with it, it's okay.
Because now the family does not depend only on the man. It's on the woman and the man, either 60-40 or 50-50.
So you must get job. If you don't get job, you are comfortable. Job that you know that okay fine, this thing they fetch me money. You must get job where you go take the sort yourself.
If you understand where, gbege no go dey. When the guy bring 200 naira come, for where this one concocco rush hours and cook. Nothing happen now. When the guy bring 2 naira now, oh boy, half one soup don ready now. All those things don blend. That means say everything make the love dey casual, everything dey tight. If you say anyhow, you say yes, I sing dey.
Girls of these days, they could be very funny. If they marry you, they say, no worry, let's just do it. I love now. I love you. When you come marry them, because you could just change for house. You just say everything. Man, you don't get money. If you don't get money, maybe you do something. If you know, lady, they don't care how you get money. Even if not ritual, just bring money home. They don't want to know money. Women, the language they know is money. If they don't see money, they can't do anything. So I will advise any man we won't get married. When you first get money, may you get money before you marry, because it's not easy.
Yes, welcome back. Now still Bobo's yarn. And you know say, for here with the yarn things we be say concern all of us, you there and we even day inside this bar. And I deal with my men, I deal with Shakara, and I deal with Showman too. Matter what they talk about today, and I say, how much man supposed get before he marry? I beg, and I want to tell you, I say, if you watch our other episodes on top YouTube, just go on top YouTube, make you find us for them. You will see us.
Nobody for that thing, Green, mention amount. Everybody, most people,
it's ridiculous.
Yeah, a lot of people even they want make me vex small sharp.
And you know why? Because you see, most Nigerians believe, and I don't know why Shakara won't negate about it, could be another topic for another day. You 12 years will come together as one. But me, I believe one thing, say, as a man, most men don't go and tell the truth of how much they get for their account, so they keep quiet. But man must know, say, I get 1 million naira for my account after I don't plan my wedding finish. Waste today as confidence.
And at a point, it go even good make the woman where you want marry get idea of how much you get.
You no go tell your wife.
No be saying that. No be saying you go tell her the real figure.
Now
you see when I
wait, at least you go tell them 60%. Make him know 60% of the idea.
If I tell you say I get 5, say I want to use 5 million, Shakara. Shakara, typically now, how much you feel say you go spend for wedding? From a traditional marriage.
Depending on your wedding no get a month. It depends on what you want to do.
I like, see.
Then you know what I'm saying? We
entertainment industry.
But you know say for this Lagos.
I want to make you understand something, Showman. Say you won't marry, no be say you go carry the whole money when you get to for wedding.
But
even though you dey entertainment industry, you dey limelight. Man, I tell you something where you need to understand. Now your choice.
Make I come.
Now, man use this person as example. Toke Makiwan and your husband. Now, coded wedding they do now. They don't make noise.
You understand now? See, you know, for this wedding, for this Lagos, people don't use 70,000 do wedding. Not be local area where they tell you.
God forbid.
See this guy. They happen. And back to that.
One thing where I believe, Shakara, they say you see marriage or wedding now once in a lifetime. And the only time when you fit come to come celebrate.
Some people feel no one noise.
So you do it for national stadium.
For instance, now you spend 1 million naira for your wedding. Is that too much?
It's not too much.
It's not too much.
Because based on people where you know if you tell me say you don't go for my town they swear for pool now say you don't come. When you come, they go give you drinks. So they want to say drink one because AI came for 81. That means they go follow come your own. Come drink. You know how many weddings with me I don't go.
My brother.
You don't go out wedding. So when they call your own now,
see,
people don't see food chop.
One thing where I drink. If you know say
you have to spend.
The most important thing, the fundamental things where man need to marry. Now man don't talk so. House, work, where they give us salary.
We are talking about money. How much money?
How much money?
See, not the money be everything.
I buy with Shakara. I buy Shakara idea with talk.
Why you not go buy with
500K.
Wait, make I tell you something. Make it easy for you now.
Now listen. And you're responsible, you can get married.
Listen to me. If you dey here, you don't want to spend money for your wedding. In fact, if you want to use 20,000 to do your wedding, you fit. I'll tell you how you go do it. Share the card, write church service at St. Waiting Church, Yaba. Reception follow immediately in Togo. Nobody.
That's my friend.
Nobody can come. Only you go carry your wife.
You know, say last week we did gossip last week. That one gossip can't make sense. So that's where we gossip say you don't think we then give them ring. So yesterday night, Tola Con they tell me say they won't marry for October. Say now for one island for Tanzania. See, I don't forget they call that island. They get one island waiting for Tanzania. Now they won't go marry. Now Atlant say, why you won't go that far? Wait, now I mean the island say how far? He say no. Say naturally, I'm glad my wife to be has never wanted to marry in Nigeria and himself be no one marry. So they won't go Dubai. They can't check the cost, can't take off Tanzania. So that means if person no get money, no go fit. And the plan be that.
I want
people to celebrate with me. So you want me to carry my wife now? The money I want to spend for their honeymoon. When they supposed to go honeymoon, go Tanzania. They can't go there. Only few friends will all go there. Can't
yes,
go.
Now.
I beg, go Shapani opinion. I beg.
So we don't go. So when we come back, but what's here now? We don't fit go and already.
Why we don't go fit go? If the money they will go.
How you want to go Tanzania?
How many had to go? Sisi opinion because we are coming back. Who tell you say Tanzania?
They don't cost. I will go.
You not really get any amount when man supposed to get before you marry a woman.
I don't know. It depends on the family of the man.
I don't know how much man supposed to get before he marry. Money is not too important in marriage. It's made them day okay. Like, make you get a job. Even if the job is not too big like that, make you fit provide for the family.
But normally, you as a man, you supposed to know, say you supposed to get some kind of money before you take go marry your babe or marry your wife.
Like 100 should be able to get you a nice apartment, a little bit nice apartment for a start. Anyway, just my place, 100 can as well, like as low as 20 can start an introduction, just introduction before the marriage and the traditional marriage and all that.
Better make them plan. They marry like a year, then people plan maybe 6 months, 3 months, you know. They go down even they work before you know, them even talk about, say, they won't begin, they born picking, you get. So because to have picking, na big responsibilities.
You know, expect me now, my married person, we say, your account go there just blank. No money at all, you can't say, I'm married. Not possible now. One man go to drink Gary for day, not possible.
Depends on what see the man they find for market. If you carry your eye, go where big thing day. Flashy girls are expensive. If you look for the humble, quiet ones, they might listen to you. So you have to be careful on your choice. Know the size of your pocket before you start running after a woman.
So far you have daily bread and you are working, you are doing business, your wife is doing business. I don't think, it depends on the type of money people are thinking of, but so far you can see money to clothe yourself, to eat, that can be comfortable within you. When you are sick, you can be able to treat yourself. I don't think there is any other money that people are looking for.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say Bobozi and we dey where we dey talk the matter here. This evening we dey talk, say how much guys suppose get before you marry. That's the matter we dey talk about. And as your opinion, and I just see finish now. Well, all our assistants.
You know why some of the girls they talk seriously say at least man supposed get something, because I don't see one way we say the guy don't tell the girls he say you are all I have. You are everything. You are everything I have in this world. You know, so when they come marry, the girl call discover say the man no get shishi for account.
Say if I know.
When the girl call say
the girl say if I know, I would have married you.
I would have married you. Why be say you dey tell me say at say maybe you get money? And the guy say what you expect? I be tell you saying that you only you now get for this
for the whole
life.
So but meanwhile, Takara, you people have not looked the angle. Say what if the girl, you know, say you fit say you want to quiet wedding, no spend much money, but the girl we want marry wants elaborate wedding.
Two of them go need to come to a compromise.
But if she still insists that she wants big wedding,
can't insist.
If your wife say want big wedding,
she can't insist.
You see this national stadium, the field, the outside, now like 30,000 they pay for.
Nah, yo, 30.
Wait now me they tell you
for
now.
national stadium.
For the house, for the ground, they also pay for the ground. So you know, she said she want big wedding. You know, say area boys full outside. Once they hear music, they come. Crowd. So it's a big wedding already.
She want big classy wedding.
You understand? But you spend 150,000.
But the thing I want to let you know now, see, if your babe come up just they talk all of a sudden, say she want big wedding, she want big wedding, she want big wedding. Now 12 when I go sit down, when I go talk, you go tell them say come babe, see. Let them understand, say, babe, see as they go, see as they go. If we do big wedding, no be by the wedding, no. Now the marriage be the go.
But I'm not after the...
Because I know babes will be say, then go talk, say, if the guy no get car, he no get house, he no get comfortable job, then no feel marry him. I get girls like that. And I get guys who be say that they do on the page of, okay, if I never buy a house, if I never get car, if I no get comfortable job, I no feel marry. But I get guys who be say, even their daily earning self, he no reach. You know, you don't do anything at all, but yet they are married, and they are still happily married, and they are still working, you know, trying to make things happen. That's what we need to understand with that. It depends on you individually, not be by the big money.
What
I don't believe say man needs too much money.
My point is this. Okay, forget about the wedding ceremony itself. You fit beat around, most likely, if you know, can't spend how much you feel. The real question now be, how much man supposed get for in accounts now, after all those ceremonies? How much is supposed to get?
Ceremony. Now you go know how much you go live now. Now you go know how much now you go live for your account. When
how
you say
much?
After wedding.
How much?
And you know, wait, let me tell you now. You know, say if you dey marry, that means if you are a nice person. Now it make it good to be good. Because if you are a nice person during your wedding, you get what they call support, either from friends, from family, and the rest. But if you be a person who be say. Your friend they do something. People they say may they contribute to 2 naira for that. You say, I don't get that. This one. I know they contribute. The day where you want to do your own, you go suffer them. So it is to be like,
but man, I just feel say, man, there's no particular amount you man need before you marry. When you dey ready, you get your house, you get everything, you dey comfortable, you ready to marry that time if you marry. Make we do what don't spoil. When we come back, we should talk the matter. Who will maybe go? Now see Bobozi. Don't go anywhere, please. We dey come back and I be at you.
I'm gonna say it's still in line with.
It in line with.
In line with.
Nah, you don't say. You say the person dey nice.
Money.
Yeah, but they don't dash again these days.
No, what is the kind?
How you expect make guy just dash money easily these days now?
People know they dash money.
Nigeria, see, matter you say for Nigeria, would even try to even dash money self to an extent. If you go London, even America. You see London, you see that they are pounds. It be like gold where they go mine from somewhere. They don't even carry money worker, na card. Nobody will give but if na food. London person go give food, you go chop tire. But say may dash you money.
We need to retweet for this this thing. Many people
like 2 tweets, more do 2 or 3. Sharp.
Might just take the one video they be like say they talk mention money. Kesley Obiako say 10 million for a start is okay. Amos Omeza something say funny question. No amount of money. EJ Bashir Ugui say Akamu Elijah Kolawole, you define story. Oh, in the other person for this or this. Say go marry without money, your wife go drink Gary. You see? So I want one person with okay, I like it 2.5 million is okay, also with good job. I mean, people are being realistic here.
Summarize that for me because time will be our friend. Give me your last on this matter.
Yes. In summary, it depends on your standard of living. You understand? Because some people don't cut their standards very high. They never marry you, but they stay VGC.
Yeah.
So if they stay VGC and your friends now within VGC, you know, say when you want to wed, the hall go be big man hall, everything go be big man level. So 500K is not enough for you. So, but it depends on your standards. 500K will be okay. So it depends on your standards. 1 million, you get standards where you even set where you go down day for life. 1 million no even do for your wedding. So it all depends, man.
My last take, I just take two tweets here and then leave them. Uguba, Undubisi Uguba. He said you supposed to get 1 million and before you go begin plan such. So he be blame my own. Last one, our lady Blessing Love, very beautiful lady. I can see you here.
You will say 5 million.
Blessing Love, talk one lot, I go read all because he now message over the past. Oh, yeah. He said you must have some savings to enable you take care of the wife you are to marry. You forget that sentence, you can marry without money. How can you stand up to your responsibilities, even the little ones as a man? Marriage is not a boyfriend and girlfriend matter. You must have a job or something that gives income, no matter how small. With faith, you will grow to be wealthy if you are hardworking and sincere. God will do anything once you are working with him. You must have small saving from 100,000 upwards. A man that cannot provide a family is worse than ... You know what
yes, we don't hear every what we'll talk about today. If you missed this episode or you want to watch them again, you should go on top YouTube, make you watch them, make you learn some more. But we never finish this topic. We go see the talk and they go on top of our social media portals there. And eventually, if our producer agree, we go do part 2 on top of this thing. I beg, but for me, I did tell you say, no amount of money is too small. All right? Just make sure say your heart stay there and your heart stay there always. From all of us, good night. Good night. Can I borrow some of your time? Some of your time. Oh yeah, tell me who discovered you. Tell me who discovered you. You're the treasure I don't define. And if I find you, we go be here. Yes, forever, whenever, however, the weather, together. When I find you one more, it will be here. Yes, forever, whenever, however, the weather, together. Can I borrow some of your time? Wanna love it like a one-thing thing. Give me your hot girl, one-thing. Oh, wanna give you all the finest things. Cause you're the cutest girl I've seen. Hey, too sweet like cake I seen. Oh, what have I seen?